Aloha, my name is Hannah Maruyama. I am the owner and master artist here at Yama Studios, a semi-permanent makeup studio based here in Honolulu, Hawaii. I am here today to answer some questions that are commonly asked about microblading and semi-permanent makeup. Is microblading safe? Yes, microblading is a fairly safe procedure for those who qualify. I've linked below a blog post about people who have health issues that would eliminate them, but if you don't have any underlying health issues, you have a fairly decent diet and healthy skin, microblading is really safe for you. It's mostly these days it's done with disposable tools as well, so it's the risk for any kind of infection or bloodborne pathogen is very low. If you properly follow the aftercare, it minimizes the risk of infection even lower. So yeah, microblading is pretty safe. I will say that the FDA has never approved any tattoo ink of any kind. So they've never approved tattoo ink and they've never approved semi-permanent makeup pigment. That's just because the FDA is not really a fan of tattoos. It's safe to assume that the FDA is never going to approve any sort of tattoo pigment or ink, cosmetic or otherwise. But overall, the procedure itself is safe, yes. If you'd like to learn more about semi-permanent makeup or you're interested in learning about microblading as well, click on any of my other videos. If you really want to dive deeper into this world and learn more about it, my book is also linked below. It's called Before the Blade: What You Need to Know Before Getting Microblading or Semi-Permanent Makeup. Important stuff. It's a good overview of what to expect, how your appointment's going to go, how to choose your artist, how to care for your semi-permanent makeup, who is a good candidate for it, and just general warnings and cautions, things you need to know, things that might eliminate you, all kinds of good stuff in there. So please subscribe, like and subscribe, and I will be with you all again next week.